Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Shraddha Kapoor's traditional fashion choices have always been a blend of elegance, grace, and modern sensibilities, making her a true style icon in the realm of ethnic wear. Whether she is draped in a classic sari, a regal lehenga, or a chic anarkali, her fashion reflects her innate charm and sophisticated persona. One of her standout looks includes a stunning pastel-hued lehenga adorned with intricate embroidery, which she paired with minimalistic jewelry and soft makeup, allowing the outfit to take center stage. This look beautifully balances modern fashion trends with timeless traditional elements, showcasing her ability to effortlessly carry off heavily embroidered pieces without overwhelming her delicate features. The actress is also known for her love of saris, often opting for simple yet elegant designs that exude grace. A prime example of this is her appearance in a classic Banarasi silk sari, where she paired the rich texture of the fabric with understated accessories like jhumkas and kohl-lined eyes, giving her a regal yet relatable aura. Her ability to choose saris that highlight both the craftsmanship and tradition speaks to her understanding of fashion's cultural significance. Another remarkable traditional outfit she has worn is the vibrant, colorful sharara set, which brings out her playful yet graceful personality. The flowy fabric, adorned with sequins and intricate patterns, showcases her ability to mix comfort with elegance, creating looks that resonate with both young audiences and traditional fashion enthusiasts. Her styling is always on point, with a strong emphasis on creating balance in her outfits. She often chooses to accessorize minimally, letting her outfits speak for themselves. In one of her most memorable traditional appearances, she wore a heavily embroidered ivory anarkali with a matching dupatta, keeping her makeup fresh and dewy. This minimalistic approach to makeup and accessories not only draws attention to the craftsmanship of her outfits but also complements her natural beauty, making her look effortlessly regal. Her footwear choices are equally thoughtful, often opting for jutis or classic heels that add just the right amount of elegance to her looks without overshadowing the attire. In addition to her impeccable sari and lehenga looks, the actress has also been spotted in more contemporary traditional ensembles such as fusion outfits. One of her most talked about looks was a fusion sari gown, where the traditional silhouette of the sari was modernized with sleek cuts and unconventional draping. This ensemble was a perfect example of how Shraddha seamlessly blends modern trends with traditional sensibilities. Her choice of neutral tones and subtle embroidery kept the look sophisticated and elegant, appealing to fashion-forward individuals who appreciate a fresh take on ethnic wear. Her dedication to promoting Indian craftsmanship is evident in her preference for handcrafted fabrics and designs. Whether it's wearing a hand-woven sari or a chikankari kurta, she consistently supports local artisans, bringing attention to the beauty of Indian textiles. Her outfits often reflect a deep respect for traditional Indian weaves, making her a role model for those who wish to celebrate their heritage through fashion. Her traditional fashion choices resonate with her fans because they embody a perfect blend of modern style and cultural heritage. Whether she's attending a high-profile wedding, promoting a film, or celebrating a festival, her ethnic outfits never fail to impress. Her styling choices are always thoughtful, making sure to strike the right balance between contemporary aesthetics and age-old traditions. In addition to her elegant saris and lehengas, the actress has also been seen experimenting with other traditional Indian silhouettes, including shararas, salwar suits, and anarkalis. These ensembles highlight her versatility when it comes to ethnic wear, as she effortlessly transitions between different styles while maintaining a sense of poise and grace. One such outfit that garnered attention was a royal blue anarkali adorned with intricate Zardozi work, paired with a matching dupatta draped gracefully over her shoulder. The deep hue of the ensemble contrasted beautifully with her radiant complexion, and her minimal jewelry and soft makeup allowed the rich embroidery to shine. This look, like many of her traditional ensembles, struck the perfect balance between understated elegance and eye-catching glamour. Her love for traditional fashion isn't just limited to grand events. Even in her day-to-day life, she embraces ethnic wear with a modern twist. She has been spotted in comfortable yet stylish kurtas paired with palazzos or churidas, often completing the look with ethnic jutis or kolhapuri sandals. These casual yet chic outfits demonstrate how Shraddha incorporates traditional elements into her everyday wardrobe, showcasing her deep connection with her Indian roots. Her choice of breathable fabrics like cotton and linen, often in pastel tones or subtle prints, makes her style accessible and relatable to young women who want to embrace traditional fashion in their daily lives. Another remarkable aspect of her traditional fashion is her attention to detail when it comes to accessories. While she typically opts for minimalism, there are times when she lets her accessories steal the show, particularly when wearing simpler outfits. For instance, she has been seen pairing a plain white sari with statement silver jewelry, such as chunky jhumkas or a bold necklace, adding an element of drama to an otherwise simple ensemble. In such instances, the actress showcases her ability to transform a modest outfit into a fashion statement with just the right choice of accessories. Her knack for styling traditional jewelry, whether it's antique gold pieces, delicate pearls, or silver oxidized ornaments, adds a timeless charm to her looks. Her experimentation with different draping styles also sets her apart in the world of traditional fashion. While she frequently opts for the classic navy drape for saris, she's also been seen sporting more contemporary drapes, such as the belt style or the dhoti drape. These modern interpretations of traditional wear show her willingness to innovate while staying true to her cultural roots. One particularly striking look was when she donned a pre-draped sari with a statement belt, which added structure to the ensemble and gave it a fusion appeal. By playing with different draping techniques, the actress adds a unique twist to her traditional outfits, appealing to a younger, fashion-forward audience. Festivals and weddings are some of the occasions where Shraddha Kapoor truly shines in traditional wear. During Diwali celebrations, for instance, she often opts for rich fabrics like silk and brocade in vibrant colors such as red, maroon, and gold. These festive looks are often complemented by traditional jewelry, like mantikas, chanbalis, and kadars, which enhance the grandeur of her outfits. During wedding events, she has been spotted wearing everything from heavily embellished lehengas to intricately embroidered saris, each time exuding an air of royalty and tradition. Her bridal looks, though understated, always exude a regal vibe, whether she's attending a friend's wedding or playing the part of a bride in her films. Her ability to mix modern and traditional elements is also evident in her makeup choices. She often opts for neutral, dewy looks with a focus on highlighting her natural beauty. This minimalistic approach is particularly effective in balancing out heavily embroidered or embellished outfits, ensuring that her makeup never overpowers her traditional ensembles. Even when she chooses to go bold with a bright red lip or kohl-rimmed eyes, her makeup always complements her overall look, enhancing her features without overshadowing the intricate details of her attire. Her hairstyles, too, are a reflection of her refined aesthetic. Whether it's sleek straight hair, voluminous curls, or a neatly styled bun, her hair choices always add to the grace of her traditional outfits. For instance, when donning a sari, she often opts for a low bun adorned with flowers, paying homage to the classic Indian look. She leaves her hair down in loose waves, adding a soft, romantic feel to her more modern ethnic ensembles. Her versatility with hairstyles allows her to seamlessly transition between different traditional looks, whether she's going for a more vintage vibe or a contemporary edge. Her ability to experiment with different styles, fabrics, and draping techniques while staying rooted in Indian heritage has made her a true fashion icon. Whether she's gracing a red carpet event in an opulent lehenga or keeping it simple in a casual kurta, her traditional wardrobe is a reflection of her deep respect for Indian culture and her keen sense of style. Through her choices, she continues to inspire a new generation of women to embrace traditional wear, proving that ethnic fashion can be both fashionable and deeply meaningful. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.